Welcome to Garden Wise Adventures. My name is Malie, and today it's time for another plant of the week. And the plant that I wanted to showcase is the Sundancer Daisy. Now, Sundancer Daisy is a very drought tolerant plant. It's one of the longer blooming plants in my yard, and it's actually new to me. So I wanted to show you what it looks like right now. So this is my Sundancer Daisy, and the blooms are really cute. They're really beautiful. They're a gorgeous yellow color, and they're just non-stop bloomers. If you look really carefully, down here are all the old blooms, so they're just kind of sinking towards the bottom, so you don't see them anymore. Then we've got the blooms that are opening right now, newer blooms and new buds down below. Now, I planted this plant in April, and it has been blooming ever since. This is mid-July, and from what I've heard, these plants will bloom all the way through the end of the season when the frost kills them. I love them so much that I actually planted another one, and we just have a couple of more on the other side of my yard that I'll show you. Now, these two are the other ones that I have. I planted this one the same time as the one on the other side, and then this is another new one. So there they are. Now, Sundancer Daisies, as I said, are very drought tolerant. So once they're established, they're not going to need any extra water. They do like well-drained soils. If you have heavy clay that holds onto a lot of water in an area where it gets regular water, it may not survive as well. But if you have an area on a slope or that's a little more sandy, they will actually thrive. From what I've also heard, if you leave the blooms and do not deadhead them, and if it's in the right conditions, they will actually reseed themselves. Now, I'm going to be leaving the blooms on mine to see if they will reseed themselves, but they are in mulch at the bottom of a hill, and they are getting a little bit of extra water. So we'll see how it does. Now, if you want to deadhead your Sundancer Daisies, you go ahead and do it. It'll make them look a little bit cleaner. If you don't deadhead them, it's not going to inhibit any more blooms. So if you would like a gorgeous yellow flower that's extremely long blooming and can deal with drought conditions, I definitely suggest the Sundancer Daisy. Now, if my videos have been helpful and you've enjoyed them, please like and subscribe, share them with your friends, and go have a wonderful garden adventure.